tell you to a person, everybody in this room knows that we treat each other like a family. And as such, we're gonna be able to help you on to the next level. Everybody knows that we're here doing this for you, like a family. And I'm sure you've talked enough to each other to know that this is what we're all about. I myself was looking for a family many years ago, and I couldn't find it in the street. And I decided that I'm gonna go and make my own family. There were some things going on in my household when I was a kid. I had to ignore that too. I had to think for myself. And by thinking for myself, I was able to make better moves for myself and do things that were great. I mean great. And I may have made millions of dollars and been able to orchestrate for other companies spending their millions of dollars to make billions of dollars. You have a lot of time on your hands now. I'll be 66 years old this coming August. You have a lot of time.